What if you could walk into every sales call already knowing what to say? In today's video, you're gonna learn how to use the Seamless AI assistant to research, prospect, uncover pain points, and generate tailored discovery questions in seconds. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for AI sales strategy and prospecting tutorials. And if you want to try Seamless for free, click the first link in the description below. Let's dive in.
So I can go ahead and scale this back as well. Again, you can look across Laura just very similarly to what you saw here. If I have some AI I want to run, help me explore the core challenges of her role so I can discuss with her how we can help. So that's gonna utilize AI. It's gonna look at, okay, here's Laura, here's what she does, here's how we could potentially help. So based on her role as this, these are the things I could do. I could then take this and I could convert it into a talk track. I can convert it into specific questions. So I could say, okay, let's go with 5 tailored questions to ask on the call. So from here, here's a couple of questions that I could do. What's driving the biggest priorities for OCI product marketing right now? How's your team thinking about turning product capabilities into clearer revenue impact for scale? So as you can see, relevant to Seamless, relevant to her role, and I can easily utilize our AI effectively for that as well. Let's say Laura reaches out and is interested. So we have some automatic rules in our settings that you can actually manage to pivot some of these in terms of contact statuses. But let's say I manually want to go through and adjust her status. So now Laura's interested. So I want to go ahead and note that. And so now I can, from here, really quickly see that Laura is interested. I can go into my contacts, and from my contacts, if I want to filter down, we have the status contacts as well from here. So I can go ahead and filter down by contact status. I can say, okay, who is interested? So I can keep track of that. I can do my follow-ups with everybody who is interested here as well. So really clean, simple, easy ways to use this. You can also see here on the left, when I have tasks that show as due, I have my little indicator here. So I have activity that has happened. I have tasks that has happened, but a lot of things to do within Seamless.
Now you know how to use Seamless AI Assistant to prep smarter before every call. In this next video, we're going to show you how to prospect directly from LinkedIn, company websites, and Gmail using the Chrome extension. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next lesson.